Welcome to another Smart Cards GED Test video tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn about the components of a cell that support the essential functions of life. This tutorial corresponds with the Life Science Assessment Target and the Organization of Life content area on the GED test. So let's go ahead and get started. In this tutorial, we're going to cover the cell components that assist with the essential functions of life, such as the cell membrane, the nucleus, the mitochondria, ribosomes, and chemical reactions. A cell is known as the building block of life. The human body consists of an almost uncountable number of cells. Cells have specialized parts that work together to help multicellular organisms live and perform the essential functions of life. For instance, the cell membrane controls the substances that flow in and out of the cell, such as water or sodium or sugar. The nucleus is not only the center of a cell, but also the control center. It houses the needed genetic and hereditary information, or DNA, as it matures and divides. The mitochondria originates in the nucleus, thereby possessing similar properties as the nucleus, but its primary function is to generate adenosine triphosphates, or ATP. ATP are molecules that transport energy within a cell for cellular activity. We also have ribosomes. Ribosomes make enzymes, which are the catalyst in chemical reactions or metabolism. A chemical reaction is a changing of one or more substances into one or more new substances. Metabolism refers to all chemical reactions that occur in the body. Let's look at this example of a chemical reaction. An active molecule-specific enzyme receives one single molecule. After a chemical reaction occurs, the molecule-specific enzyme releases two molecules. The enzyme received one molecule, but it released two molecules. This is what's known as a chemical reaction. Chemical reactions such as these support the essential functions of life, such as growth, development, reproduction, and digestion. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for a new tutorial next week. And if you're new to the Smart Cards YouTube channel, click the subscribe button.